Hey all, today we're going to be talking about a new trial set that has shown up at Nordstrom's from Tom Ford. So if you're interested to learn about that, please stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury, either treating yourself to a little bit of a cup of coffee, a fancy candle, a fragrance, handbags, what have you. So just making yourself feel a little bit better because you deserve it. Really, you do. I deserve it. You do too. Anywho, so this one showed up on the Nordstrom site during the anniversary sale, and I, for some reason, thought it was part of the sale. So when I saw it, I was like, add to cart, I need to have it. But it is still on there. And this is, late August that I'm filming this. So still on there, still in stock, probably part of their regular line. I didn't see that it was a Nordstrom exclusive, but it might, and if it is, I will put that in the notes down below. But this is the Tom Ford Private Blend Discovery Collection. It is a set of 6 eau de parfum mini sprays of 3 milliliter each, or 0.1 fluid ounce. Yeah, so they have white suede, oud wood, bitter peach, Soleil, Neige, rose prick, and Ébène Fume. And I have been wanting to try bitter peach and rose prick for quite some time. So this is great. I already have Soleil Neige. I actually have this body spray, which of course is not the same thing. It's not a perfume. But I'm not going to try the Parfum today since I do know what it smells like. I have tried the Parfum at the cosmetic company outlet, and I just opted for this because it was way cheaper and just the way you spray it on, this worked for me. So yeah, so I'll skip that one today. I'll link the video that I tried that one out on up above, but we're gonna try out the rest of them and see how they go. I really want to pick up rose prick, bitter peach, and white suede. Not sure how I'm going to feel about oud wood or Ébène Fume, but we'll see how it goes. And I'm not going to bother reading any of the notes or anything like that. I'm going to make this quite as quick as possible for you, and just put up an image of the notes from Fragrantica or some other website, whatever I find, and just give you my impressions of what the scent is like on this. So first, it comes in this little glass bottle, a little bit not quite full all the way to the top, but I was gonna say, where's the lid? So a little tiny lid for them, which is nice. Oh, you can smell it already. So white suede. This is pleasant. It's very powdery. Very pleasant though. Powdery. A really good daytime scent. I probably wouldn't wear this just like to go out at night and evenings. This is definitely a daytime. It reminds me a little bit of, do you remember that Philosophy Amazing Grace? That's the one I'm thinking of. It non-intrusive, still more sophisticated and more refined than an Amazing Grace is, but that type of scent, a little more comforting. So let's try oud wood next. And I'm sure this is going to be a lot more intense. Oh yeah, you can already smell that. Oh, but I like it. This is what I want a jazz club to be. Jazz club just, and I ended up returning it. I don't know if you saw my last video or a couple of videos back. I bought it for the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and it was just so overwhelmingly, I just couldn't shake the scent. It just had an off-putting smell to it. This is refined, you know, got your cognac and a cigar, you know, one of those kind of smoking room type of, this is a sexy evening scent. I like that. That's nice. Oud Wood. I'm going to save Bitter Peach for last because I really am excited about that. So let's go back. Let's go down to Ébène Fume. And this one looks really dark in the packaging. So let's try that. Okay. That kind of astringent burnt smell. That's little undercurrents of what Jazz Club had. And I can already tell I'm not going to be the biggest fan. We'll see as it. It gets better. That's the thing. After the initial like sniff, that was harsh. But definitely that smoky. It's okay. I'd have to definitely layer with something to lighten it up. This is just a little too smoky. Not cigarettes, but it's just a little too. I was too close to the fireplace and the wood got on me. I mean, it's not bad. It's just, it's not my cup of tea. And we're skipping Soleil Neige. We're going to do Rose Prick. This one I'm really excited about. I've heard really good things about it. I'm hoping it's kind of like Chef d'Or from House of Siage. Have it up there. I really love rose smells. Okay. Promising. Okay. A lot more fresh. Definitely get the rose, but it's almost like, I want to describe it, almost like a rose scented alcoholic beverage, like as if you like put like rose into champagne or something. I mean, it's getting stronger, but that kind of refreshing bubbly, yeah, it's fresh. And I have Mario Badescu's rose toner that I spray on after my shower. And I mean, it's a similar kind of fresh rose smell, like strong rose, but just nicer and just very, very fresh. Bubbly, like I said, bubbly. I like that. That's nice. They have a 3-piece set of, I think it's 30 ml bottles, and it's Rose Prick, Effing Fabulous, and Lost Cherry, and that's very tempting. But I think it was $200 for the 3. I'm not sure. I think I'd rather just go ahead and buy the larger sizes. So I'm going to skip Soleil Neige and we're going to go into Bitter Peach and see how bitter it is and if it's one I'm going to love. Well, in the cap it definitely doesn't have a strong scent, so hopefully it gets better. Well, it's definitely up my alley. It's a gourmand. That's not strong at all. I would have to really slather that on. I like it. I think that's the thing about peach though. Peach is so subtle. Yeah, it needs a lot more oomph. And this is pricey. I remember I saw it at Costco. And even at Costco prices, it was not cheap. And this is, I know I'd have to just douse myself in this. I like it. I like it a lot. I just wish it was a lot stronger. So I'm going to order me some dupes, looking maybe Dossier and Oak Cha, and there's one other brand out there that does dupes, and see if I can find something that's close enough, because this is definitely one that I want to have in my collection. So yeah, so that was a pretty good way to try them all out. I wish the vials were a different shape, because those definitely aren't going to fit in any of my travel spray atomizers. So like the House of Sillage holders, it won't fit any of those. Not the Tom Ford ones are really tall and skinny. So they're just kind of samples to have and try out and dip your toe into Tom Ford fragrances. So yeah, if you haven't tried any of those, I'd suggest picking that up. I mean, I'm sure you can probably get the same type of, you know, sample size and effect from any of the resellers out there that give you samples. So I guess it's just a way to get it from the brand. if you really need to go that way and feel better about that, this is a way to try them out. But if not, you know, go your usual route. But I'm actually really excited about having these finally in my collection to, at the very least, compare against some of the designer alike houses that make similar versions of these items. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Take care.